Yeah! He broke the hanger. Mauricio and I drove here Wednesday. We're gonna be riding at Ray. And we are the only crazy people here right now. There's nobody else here. It's a little hot. It's around 90. And we're gonna be here till Friday. We're gonna go around, explore some trails that we already know. All right, we're gonna do pre-ride. Pre-ride. Oh, it's running super smooth. It felt good. Woo! Now these jumps feel super small for the speed. Woo! That was better. Woo! Almost. All right, this is the skills park. I'm entering the jump area. What's up, people? We are in the beautiful COLER. Mauricio with the e-bikes. We're gonna go and check out the new step up. Hopefully we can get it today. Oh, I lost my pedal. That was scary. I'm back, baby. So this is the big step up so far at COLER. I need to see somebody doing it. It's a huge ramp. Wow. They keep telling me that some people almost miss the whole ramp. They land right here by that rock. Doesn't look that big. Clear for takeoff. Double black. Cease and desist. Single black. Woo! Landed flat. Flop, 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 flop. Double black line here, COLER. We were struggling trying to clear the first two tables, doubles, whatever they are. And I think I finally got the hang of how to clear them without pedaling that much. So I'm so excited. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Double, got those doubles. Sharp fins. Pedal. Got this. Yeah. Got this one. Got that one. All right. That's a step up right there. Woo! Dang! The bike almost left me behind. Wow! Shoot! Ah, I cased it a little bit. Landed right here. Ah! Woo! Ah! I cased it. I need more speed. Okay, this is gonna be my third try. The second one felt much better than the first one. So I'm hoping to get this one much better than second and first. Okay, here I go. Ah! Still case it. Ah, man. All right, this time we're going to the castle. The castle is located in Slaughter Pen, and it has some fun lines, some jumps. It's not my favorite, but it's still fun. This time. It's raining. We got rain on. Oh, it's raining, boys. It's raining. It's getting worse. Yeah.
Mucha rama y hoja suelta ahí.
Bye. ¡Maldita piedra! ¡Ah! Wow. Lo quebró, mano. He broke the hanger, damaged the frame. Oh man, look at this. Wow. Dang it. Ah. Ah. No, todo, mira, es quebrado, Wow. Oh, everything broke, man. Even the chain broke. A ver, ponla parada. Ok, ahí está. Wow. Primera vez que me pasa algo así, mano. Tan serio. It's a huge rock, man. Wow. Lo que me duele más es el frame, man. Bueno, han de vender esta pieza nomás. Bueno, todo el...
Es el rear triangle.
Yeah.
Pero, ¿sí crees que lo debilite esto?
No creo. This is the end of it.